What's going on, guys? It's your boy, man, Stunner Breezy, baby, coming to you live with another one. Another lit video, baby. Or shall I say, Reverend Breezy. We gonna get right to it. You understand what I'm saying? I'm preach today. Y'all know I'm full of this information, baby. I'm gonna tell you about this quote-unquote secret Metamask coin drop. I'm gonna tell you about what's going on with Saitama. But first up, man, there seems to be a lot of renewed interest in the best platform of all time, which is Drip. And I see why. Now, I like to talk to a lot of people that's outside of crypto that know finances, and they can't believe that there's a platform that actually pays you 1% on your money every day. Yeah, like clockwork. No downtime, no hiccups, no nothing. 1% on your money every day, bro. Drip. And now you have to tell everybody. So I put it in this video because I hate doing it one-on-one, going through the same thing over and over. Look, when you first come to Drip Network, you click the link in the description up under this video. You'll come to the Drip Network, go to Faucet. You got to have a buddy address. Everybody has to have a buddy address. I had to have one. It's like invitation only. It's invitation only. You got to have an invitation link. So in the description, there's an address that starts with OX. Copy it. Come down here where it says buddy. It's going to say buddy address, paste it, and then click update. It's in the description below. Just copy it, paste it, hit update. Now you can move around in the system. You come back up here, you go over to swap. Come to swap. Now you got your BNB, however much BNB you're going to want to put in. It could be 1, 10, 50, 100. That's up to you. What you do, you come right here where it says buy Drip. Let's say you want to buy 10 BNB worth. You put in 10 BNB. It's going to give you 287 drip or there somewhere in there. You click buy. So you get 287 drip, going to come right over here. You're going to say drip balance, right? Now, what you want to do then, you want to come over to Faucet. You want to see your balance right there. You want to take that. It may say enable. I don't know if it's still there, but it may or may not. If it says enable, you click that to over, and you have to approve that, and then you're going to be good. After that, you take your balance. And you can hit max, or you can just type it in how much you want. I like to leave maybe 1 in there just to see it, whatever. But you can click max, boom, it's at 36, and then click deposit, and you click approve, and all that. The first time may take 2, you may have to approve, and then click what are they gonna say? Continue or something like that. Or it may just be 1. But anyway, when you do that, this is gonna light up like a Christmas tree. That's when you know you in. When you see all these numbers right here, when you see a deposit, that's when you know you in. It's going to start giving you money right here. Immediately. Give it about 10, 20 seconds, and you're going to start accumulating moolah, right? So now, why you want to do that is, let me see. You see that I got 130,000 in this account. And in my big account, I have almost 900,000, 886,000. I get paid 1% a day on. So between the two accounts, I got $1 million that I get paid 1% a day on. So you can see why I'm always in a good mood. This is Drip, baby. This is the best thing going, man. I'm telling you. Now, I will be doing, resuming the airdrops after the, you might have to connect your wallet too. When you first come on, if you're new, it's going to say connect wallet. So you're going to be trying to move around. I can't do nothing. You got to connect your wallet. So if you have a team on the big account, you might want to get you another account on the smaller team because I've maxed out that other account. I'm the boss of all bosses. So I've maxed that one out. We got a smaller account that was going to do big airdrops on. So if you got a smaller team, if you got a team on the other account, get you another wallet. You can show them that other one to get them on the team and then give them this address, your address, not mine. Give them your address and be on this team so you can get airdrops. So that's that, man. Drip. Well, when the Manifold come out, that's going to be Drip on steroids. You got a second chance, man. And it don't take one drip to get in here. I hate telling people that because that's what they do. It's only take one drip to get in the platform to see how it works. But anyway, let's keep it moving, man. Let's go move on to this MetaMask thing, right? So let me show you something. All right. See my MetaMask. Come on, look at that. See the circle of death. Come on, MetaMask. Okay, so check it out. Now you move up in the crypto world. You get a little money in your pocket. You know what I'm saying? You move in different circles. You get, insider information, if you will. Now, this is all rumor and speculation. Very, very early. Or it could be late. They could have been done a snapshot already. I don't know. But remember what they did with Uniswap. They just surprised airdrop with everybody who has used the Uniswap platform. You had all those people who didn't want to use Ethereum because of this and that, and why Uniswap dropped them airdrops on your head. But anyway, I'm hearing Metamask may do the same thing, right? So you say, well, how I get it? What's going on? You know, what you talking about? They ain't got no exchange and that. Yeah, actually they do. So if you go to Metamask, you're going to see this right here. It says swap. Most people ain't never paid it any attention. All right. Now, I shouldn't be telling you this because it's going to take away from mine. You know what I'm saying? I would get a bigger allocation if I kept it secret, or put it in a Patreon, or join my membership, or pay me $100 a month. And I tell you, I'm going to tell you for free how to get this supposed airdrop if it ever happened, right? All you got to do is come here, click this swap, right? Mine moving slow because I got the recording software. Now, you probably ain't never done this before, but it's just a regular old swap. You can do your slippage and all that carrying on. There you go, your BNB. Click your select the token. And it's fetching. It's fetching my tokens even. Thing going so slow. As you can see, the tokens will come up. It's got Drip, Rex, HNW, ADA, Bitcoin, Doge, Link, everything. Cake. Got all kind of coins. LTC. So if you've ever used this swap focus, if you ever used this swap exchange, you were eligible for an airdrop. Now, I don't know when the snapshot is. They may have already taken it. It's just, speculation right now. So I'm probably sure that they haven't taken it. So you can just use it a few times just to be in the system. You know what I'm saying? That's how you get the airdrop. That's free information. Just come use this swap just for a little bit. Do 0.1 BNB. Swap out some Drip and Hex. Swap out some ADA and Hex. Whatever you want to do. Just use it a few times. You know what I'm saying? And let me show you what happened with the Uniswap. See? Let me see what the Uniswap is. Remember, I think I got like 400 Uniswap tokens. And it just came out of nowhere. You know what I'm saying? It surprised everybody. At the time, I think the token was like, what, $2.50 or something? Let me see how much they worth now. And this was for every wallet that you use. That's almost $10,000. Free. Dropped on your head just for using Uniswap. And if using Hex, you was using Uniswap. So that's that, man. That's how you do it for the MetaMask airdrop. I don't know when they're going to take the snapshot. You can go research it yourself. I'm just giving you the heads up on that free airdrop, baby. Now let's take a look at Saitama, man. Let's take a look at Saitama. Saitama. Tell you what's going on with that. I'm just full of information today. Well, who'll give out more information than me? All right, here we go. So Saitama is back down to 9,000. Well, look, we talking about these small numbers, so bear with me now. Back down to 9,000. Now, for me, that's still a 3x because I got in below 3,000. But this thing was up to like 16,000. You know what I'm saying? It busted a zero out, man. This thing was up to 16,000, bro. But what happened was they did a some kind of big event last night or yesterday, and it was streamed live or something. I didn't get this. They was talking about it in my Telegram, and I guess I don't think they did. Basically, it was pushed the launch back for 2 weeks. And I guess, the big investors or whatever, the people, you know how it'll take but one person with a lot to start it, and then the avalanche came, you know what I'm saying? So it dropped down because they pushed the launch back 2 weeks, which I don't understand. Now, if you've been in crypto any amount of time, everything gets pushed back. Cardano stuff got pushed back. I mean, everything gets pushed back. Ethereum first got pushed back. All projects get pushed back in crypto. So I don't understand how that's such a big deal with a meme coin. Solana, the whole blockchain went down. They had to restart the whole blockchain, and then it mooned after that. Like, it's crazy. Crypto is crazy, man. It's just, I don't understand I don't know, man. I don't know. So that was that. And, I don't know. This may be a good buying up because it was just lower than that. It was like an 8,000 from minutes ago. Yeah, it bounced up a little bit. It was just 8,000. It's making a higher low. See, it was down here at 7,000. See that 7,111? Now it came down right here to 8,000, and it bounced off of that. So this may be. I don't know, bro. People of these meme coins, bro. I don't know. See, this thing is up over almost 600% in the past 30 days. So if you got it when I first posted it, you good either way. You know what I'm saying? So Hey, man, that's what's going on with Sadie Mama. I don't know if it's going to bounce back. I'm sure if they do launch in 2 weeks, then right before launch, this price going to go back up. But a lot of people don't have that patience. Too many coins to come out, too many projects, too much stuff going on, and people don't have patience, man. So, that might be it for Sadie Mama. I don't know, bro. I don't know. I'm just here to report the news and, hopefully make you some money. But anyway, man, my time is drawing near. I'm just a guest pastor today. I got to go back and show off my shoes and my socks as I cross my legs behind the main pastor. You understand what I'm saying? But anyway, you have a good day because I'm about to exit stage left even.